What is going on, guys? I'm back with another abandoned storage unit, and it's actually right here, and I only paid $60 for this unit. Y'all already know some good stuff is already in it. I haven't looked yet, but from the pictures, it should be some good stuff in there. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, we have this suitcase we're gonna go ahead and grab. Pull this out into the light, baby, to the light. Oh, stuff already falling out. So what is this? Ooh, a Balenciaga box, and nothing is in it, but it's an official box. Ooh, we got a pair of these Converse. Nice, y'all. These sell for really good money too. May, never heard of this brand before. If you guys heard this before, let me know. Zara. Okay, some Zara boots. What are these? What does it say? Made in China. Yeah, so it's nothing. But maybe, guys, look. Maybe the Balenciagas are in here. You never know. You never know. Let's check the rest of these. So yeah, it's nothing else in here. But this is a nice suitcase. This will go. Oh, oops. But this will go for around $20 to $30 at the flea market. I see a pot right here, and I don't know what's in it. But let's check and see. What is this? I don't know what that is. Starlight. Okay, some charcoal and oh, some coins in here. See them coins? But that's about it that I see. A whole bunch of coins. Let's see, dollar bills. No dollar bills in here. So yeah, just some cleaning products. Let's see what's in this bag, and it looks like it's like some heels. Looks like heels are in here. Got a towel. Oh shoot. What the heck? Yo, hold up. Y'all, look. Here is the Balenciaga. Wow, that's crazy. Well, let's see what else is in here, y'all. Got a shoe of Crocs. Was this Crocs? Yep, Crocs. And here's the other Balenciaga, y'all. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Got some, what in the world? Some panties with, see, this is why I wear gloves. This is why you guys tell me all the time to wear gloves. I see now. Look, we got some Dunks right here. Got another pair of Dunks. Really nice. So I don't know who this guy was, because these are some huge heels, guys. Like, these are huge. These are size 46. What in the world? I don't know if it's like a guy in his girl unit or something. I don't know. Got some more Dunks right here. Y'all, this unit looks good already. Like, we've already made enough money for what we paid for the unit, and everything else is going to be profit. But hopefully I can find some good stuff in here to bring to the flea market, because I know a lot of people there are probably like, man, we haven't seen you in a while. So let's get back into it. We have this UGG box right here, but we're going to save that for later. Got some stuff over here. Let's grab this, and we're going to work our way to the back. Let's see what this is. Okay, these are some pots and pans. All right, we got a bag right here. Let's see what's in the bag. So just clothes are in here. Shein, however you want to say it. Oh, hold up. What is it? Oh, an eyeglass case. Anybody thirsty? Got a whole bunch of water for you right here. And it feels like it's nothing but clothes in here. What is this? It's like a military type of pants. So I don't know if it was in the military or not. But yeah, I don't know if any of this is good. Slim fit. What's the brand? Oh, H&M. Alright, so don't know if anything good in here. If I find anything good, I will let you guys know. So a lot of these clothes, I just put them back in the bag, but these are all flea market $1 clothing. Got another bag right here. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Looks like some more clothes Yeah, it's just more clothes in here. So it looks like a whole bunch of bags of clothes are in here. Oh, check this out, guys. Look, nothing but rice. That's where the rice is coming from. We have this bag right here. It says Fendi, but by the touch of it, I can tell it's not even real. Like, look at it. It's like super fake. The leather on it is all cracked right here. And it says Fendi. I thought I saw it. Yep, it says Fendi right here, but look how cheap that is made, guys. I'll put it down for you guys. Look, that's like super cheap. Let's grab this one, this Walmart bag. Man, I hope some good stuff is in here. Let's see. There's Shein. Man, this person love buying Shein. I know Shein is not what I want to look for in a unit though. That's definitely not what I'm looking for. Oh, look. Oh, we could use this definitely. Plug in. Nice. Oh, hold up. Got a bag right here. Let's pull this out with the bag. Alright, what type of bag is this? No name. Alright. What does it say? Saint Laurent Paris. Okay, don't know if it's real or not, but I'll definitely look into that. Alright, we got a bag. Ooh. Uh-oh. We got another box. Look. Balenciaga, guys. This is crazy. Let's see if it's in it. Oh. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Balenciaga. Now, I don't know if these are legit or not, but I'm definitely gonna look into it. But if these are legit, these are going for good money. So really nice though. Look at them. It says Balenciaga on the inside, and it's stitched right here. So yeah, these might actually be a real pair of Balenciaga runners. Alright, hopefully some more good stuff is in here. Uh-oh, we got another box, and it feels like something's in it, guys. Ooh. Okay. Y'all know these are legit. We've sold actually a good number of these, and these are legit. It's another box in here. No name box. All right. Let's flip it over. Doesn't say anything on it. Okay, some Adidas. Y'all, this is not bad. Not bad. I'll take that. Pairs of Balenciagas. But I think the Balenciagas are actually real because around the size tag is stitched. And fakes probably won't be stitched. They'll probably be like glued on or something, but I'm definitely gonna look into it. But y'all, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. All right, guys, we have this Balenciaga box right here and two bags. Looks like a jersey's right here. But let's grab this Balenciaga box. Ooh, got some weight to it too. All right. Hey, okay. A nice pair of Balenciaga boots. I mean, I keep saying Balenciaga Ugg boots. But yeah, guys, a pair of Ugg boots. These are actually really nice, man. These are really nice. All right, we have this bag. Let's go ahead and grab it. Hold on, I see a tag. Oh, Shein. How do you guys say it? Is it Shein or Sheen? Shein or Sheen? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. How do you say that? Oh, it's heavy. Got some weight to it. And it feels like it's just the comforter in here. I feel like more is in here. Probably just more clothes. Man, this can't. Y'all, this is the biggest bonnet I have ever seen in my life. Like, hold up. I'm gonna lay it down on the ground for you guys. Y'all, look at my hand. This is huge. Look at my foot. This is a huge bonnet. What the heck? Why is it this big? What is this? Lincoln. Okay, he got game. Uh-oh. Oh, this might be the little... Uh-oh, Jesus Shuttlesworth. Hey. Oh, yeah, this is probably a good $100 right here, guys, on eBay. Let's go. All right, so I had to take this bag from over it because it was all tangled up. But look, guys, we have LL Bean jacket, and it feels like it's wool too. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all of this out and then show you guys what we got. We have this LL Bean super long jacket right here, trench coat, and it's actually really nice, guys. Check this out, LL Bean, and it actually looks vintage. Yep, it is vintage, guys. It says made in USA, and it's wool. Cha-ching, check this out. This is super dope. Who is this on here? Is this Megan Thee Stallion or Cardi B? I don't know which one this is, but y'all, this is super dope. It doesn't have a tag on it anywhere, but y'all, this is nice. Ooh, okay. I don't know if it's real or not. Y'all, look at this right here. Look at this. It says Essentials. Hold on, I gotta show y'all. Look, Essentials, guys. It has it on the back. Fear of God. That's crazy. Look at the front. It says 1977. And if this is legit, this is probably like $100, $80 to $100 sweater. Here's the military jacket that I found, the pants too. So now we got a whole military outfit. This unit was pretty good. We have a lot of items that we can sell online, but not just that, but also at the flea market. So listen, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe for more great videos like this and flea market videos. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.